Hello and welcome back to another video. This week I'll be showing you one of my favourite midweek stir fries. This is a super simple, spicy and umami packed dish and is so quick to make. It's a broadly Sichuan dish, though the addition of oyster sauce is not strictly authentic. If you do wish to keep this recipe totally plant-based, then just avoid the oyster sauce. And please do subscribe to my channel so you're notified of my upcoming video where I'll show you a great vegan alternative that you can make at home. I'm also going to share with you a great method for steaming rice at home, which is super simple and requires no additional equipment. First I minced the garlic, but you can save time if you want by just using a garlic crusher or a grater. Do the same for the ginger, and then get ahead by picking your coriander leaves and crushing the Sichuan Peppercorns, just crushed a little to bring out their flavour. When you're cooking a stir-fry dish, or any dish which has multiple elements cooked quickly, it's best to get everything prepared in advance. I like to cut the cauliflower florets in half lengthways. Doing this gives them one flat side, which colours really well in the wok and gives you a much deeper flavour. To prepare the rice, get yourself a small to medium sized saucepan with a lid. I'm using a Japanese short grain rice, but jasmine rice or basmati rice work perfectly with this technique as well. A simple method I've learned to make sure you have the correct amount of water for the rice is to first spread the rice evenly across the pan. Put your index finger on the bottom of the pan and place your thumb against your index finger where it just touches the top of the rice. Remove your index finger and thumb, keeping them together, and you now have a measurement for the depth of rice in your pan. Now touch your index finger to the top of the rice and add water until it touches the tip of your thumb. Bring the rice to a vigorous boil on the stove, then turn the heat down to its lowest setting, place a lid on and leave to simmer for 10 minutes. To stir fry the dish, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable or sunflower oil to the wok and heat until smoking. Add your cauliflower and cook with the lid on for 1 to 2 minutes, tossing occasionally until it chars a bit. Set aside the cauliflower and then add a splash of oil to the pan and add your Sichuan peppercorns, the dried chilies, your ginger and garlic. Cook these for about 30 seconds before returning the cauliflower to the pan. Mix in about a teaspoon of Pixian chili paste. Add 10 to 15 milliliters of light soy sauce and the same of Shaoxing rice wine, and then place a lid over the pot to allow the cauliflower to steam and absorb the sauce at the same time. Leave it cooking like this for a good 4 to 5 minutes, shaking the pan occasionally to make sure the cauliflower cooks evenly. At this point you can add about a tablespoon of oyster sauce. And that's it, the dish is done. All that's left to do is to garnish the dish with fresh coriander and dried chilies. If you like this new style of video and want to see more of these quick dishes, let me know in the comments below. Once again, thanks for watching, please do subscribe and hit the button for alerts. You can follow me on Instagram with the link in the description below. See you next week.